Another option in hair material is a curl. If you activate curl, you can see it bending the hair inside of the hair from the root. If you go to the advanced, from root to the tip. If you, as you can see, the curl is based on degree. If you increase the number of that, you can see from 0 to, it's bending and bending in itself. And if you want to better bending, you have to increase the segment of the hair itself. For example, if you go to the hair, in the hair we have a segment. You can see if you increase the segment, we have better bending. From the root, you can bending the root also, but I don't suggest to doing that. Make it 0. It's bending with this fall off to the root based on this. The direction means direction of the hair. You can make randomly curl, or you can make locally in, for example, Y does not mean Z, or based on a texture. As I said before, you can give a texture based on red, blue, and the green to change the direction of that. You learned it before. This texture is for changing direction, and this texture is a black and white code, like a gradient. For example, I make it to her, and you can see we have no bending here, and it's bending with a gradient to 100% of this amount based on black and white code. In the black code, we don't have any bending with a gradient grayscale going to gray, going to the white. White means 100% of that comment in Cinema 4D. Okay, this curve. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.